It's a 2011 Honda Odyssey. Tasteful, impressive, innovative Odyssey, more than just a minivan. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, power sliding left and right rear passenger door, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Of the Odyssey's interior, Popular Mechanics describes it as astonishingly comfortable, very versatile, and exceptionally high quality. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Volkswagen of Inver Grove, creating customers for life. We are conveniently located at 1325 50th Street East in Inver-Grove-Heights, Minnesota, near Highway 494 and Robert Street, across from Best Buy.